Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Verde Agritech because they just did a general meeting, and in this red market we see some strength in Verde today. I think this will eventually go higher. And first let's talk a bit about natural gas. As you know, natural gas is correlated to fertilizers, and I think we are going to have a crisis here in the EU. As you can see here, the Russian gas flow is declining, so there's not a lot of gas coming from Russia anymore. And here that's Nord Stream, that's also Nord Stream. Jamal is already at 0, so it tells me that natural gas will come from somewhere else. This is Nord Stream, it's now at 50% capacity, and we'll have maintenance even in July, so that's about 10 days, and not sure if it will come back on. So that's also bullish for EU natural gas. So this doesn't look good, and we know that Nord Stream is about 42% of all the Russian gas, and in Ukraine we have some problems as well, and this is also at 0, so we are going to see much higher gas prices and electricity prices. Actually, in France, they are only at 50% nuclear capacity. So electricity prices are going to rise tremendously. Look at this blip here. This is the blip that is coming from the disruptions in Nord Stream. So it will be a challenge to get this up. So this is the natural gas price right now for EU, and it's rising. And even though we have cheap natural gas in the US, that cheap natural gas won't be transported to EU that easily. So this will keep on rising. And very important to know, European gas is correlated to Asian gas. So the problems in Europe will also be the problems in China. And at these prices, all fertilizer plants are going to shut down. It's impossible to produce ammonia, urea, so fertilizer prices are going to go much higher. Okay, so that's very good for Verde Agritech. So let's take a look at what we have learned from the meeting. So these are new points that have come up. We will have an uplisting to either New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq probably in September. So this is the month that we should look for. That's in about 3 months. Then sales price is $200 per ton, so that's at the market price. So we are going to see a huge price increase in our product. So guidance is going to go up because of a higher sales price. Construction is progressing on budget and on time, so no problems there. Cristiano doesn't consider selling Verde in a buyout because he expects much higher prices, and I agree with that. Permit is progressing well, no hiccups there. Construction. So the construction will be finished in Q3. So we are not talking about Q4 anymore. So it will be finished in Q3, and that's very important because that means we will be at full capacity of production in Q4, which means that guidance will increase. And they said that they are now sold out until end of August. The last time it was sold out into July, And now it's already sold out end of August. So next month we will probably see that it's sold out until September, and then in August we will see that it's sold out until October, and so on. So I think that there is a high chance that we will get a production guidance increase. So today we have a guidance of 350,000 in Q3 and Q4. That will probably go up to 400,000, 450,000 in Q3. Q4 it could go even higher because there is more capacity in Q4. So look at this, that's double in the guidance. So I think there's a lot of upside that's not calculated yet in this share price. As a side note, they have been talking with Uberaba City to set up the plant in that technology center. You can search on that article. Probably will have a news release in the coming months. So let's talk a bit about valuations. We are currently at 277 million market cap. So that's this point here. And you can clearly see that there is a lot of upside still. Potash prices have not come down. So everyone is panicking. There's no need to panic. Potash is still at the all-time highs. Okay. And that means that this 277 million will probably double by the end of the year. And by next year could even triple. No problems at all. Now, what about the guidance increase that I talked about? So this is the PE calculation for current share price, 105 oil. I took 1000 because potash is really strong. And we have a PE of 4 for 1 million tons. But 1 million, I don't think it will be 1 million because you need to look at revenue run rate, and that will be around, let's say 500,000 to 600,000 in Q4. So the run rate will be around 600,000. So that's per year. It's 2 million to 2.2 million. So let's take 2 million for Q4. So in Q4, we will already have a PE of 2 right now, based on these calculations, because they will be ready with the construction in Q3. So Q4 will have a full capacity of 3 million tons per year, and probably production will be around 2 million, maybe even 2.2 million. Let's take 2.2 and see what happens. So that's a PE of 1.8 at 1000 potash sales price. So it's looking very good. This is a buying opportunity, can easily double from here or even triple if the market stops panicking. And I'll see you in the next video.